right, so Sargent and Company. It says on this, it says I'll have to look that up. April 26th. It says something in the middle there. Let's see if I can get a better look at it. We have some leftover ham. We're going to make some ham salad. First suggestion with the classic meat grinder here. I'm going to see how it comes out. Let's try a piece of meat first. Alright. I'm going to put a pickle in there. Pickle chopped up nice. Some more ham. I'll throw another pickle in it. Then I'm going to do a hot pepper. I'm going to do one hot pepper in it. Don't need more than one of those. Alright, another couple pieces of ham. This one's got a little juice on it. I'll just roll it right up over here. Go ahead and flip this around. I think that'll be it. Now we'll just add some mayo and maybe I'll do one more pickle. Rinse it out. Look at that.